Hey camera nerds, guess what I got in today? Oh, Black Magic 4K. All right, let's get into it. It comes in a nice Black Magic box here. Not too hard to get into. I ordered this probably the first, or pre-ordered it the first day that it came out. And I kind of knew that Blackmagic, even if it had glitches and stuff, would follow through with making this camera a powerhouse like they did with the original Pocket. Inside you get a little welcome pamphlet. And inside there's a software manual. Almost all Blackmagic cameras have this in there. You get, which is almost amazing, a copy of DaVinci Resolve. This software has grown like crazy throughout the past year, incorporating a full audio suite, and it has also incorporated a graphics section. You can see here, right here, visual effects, audio, color, editing. So inside you've got some goodies here. An LPE6 battery, so if you're a Canon camera user, you are in luck. And it comes with a power cord, which this is a huge deal for me because the power cord on the old Pocket was pretty awful. This power cord seems to have a nice locking mechanism. Inside, Blackmagic always gives you connections for around the world. Whatever country you're working in, it has all the different plug connections so you're never out of luck. So here it is, the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K. Oh yeah. Actually feels pretty good in the hand. It has a significant bigger grip than the Pocket, that is. Should quickly show you the back. It has a wonderful 5-inch display, which to the rejoice of all previous Pocket users and anybody that actually wanted to use a functional camera, you can see what you're doing, which for pulling focus is amazing. There's no other camera on the market that incorporates such a large screen in such a small package. I will now just be rolling some sweet B-roll footage. Ready yourself.